Okay. Um, this is the road linking between Nyankpala to Tingoli and the communities along. So, this road, the government started the project on this road on the 8th of this month, which was congratulated by the chiefs and the residents around and along the road. So it was later abandoned. This was later abandoned. So we are appealing on behalf of the chiefs and the Nyankpala legend, the legend of Nyankpala. We are appealing as a citizen, concerned citizens of Nyankpala, to the government and whoever is in charge, the farmers, the residents, and everybody suffer around this place. So we are appealing to the government in charge or whoever is assigned for this contract should come to our aid and rescue us. I am Atashahadu reporting for Nyankpala TV.